Silver this week started the week with the price in between this area of resistance and this area of support. The price has formed a small bullish candle trying to reach higher price levels unsuccessfully. Then on Tuesday the price returned back down, reaching a support level here of 37.39. From here the price has bounced, but before that the price was trying to move further down below this area of support. It has bounced back up, reverting and reaching all the way this area of resistance 38.39. Especially on a Friday the price has formed this bullish breakout candle, making a bullish strong movement above this area of resistance, which means the targeting higher price levels. Weekly time frame shows me it is a bullish candle, and we can see it is a continuation of this bullish breakout 2 weeks ago. So this bullish breakout that has been confirmed with this next candle, it is rising in value, trying to reach higher price levels. Monthly time frame, it is showing us a bullish breakout about 37.152. We can see that this area, and it is trying to reach 39.68 as this level. What we can make as a conclusion on the monthly time frame, we have one more week until this month closes. Everything is pointing that the price will try to reach higher price levels. So the monthly time frame shows the target, it is 39.68, where the month before that was trying to reach. We have a weekly time frame which is also a bullish breakout above the small resistance area here, targeting higher price levels, and we have a daily bullish breakout targeting higher price levels. When the Monday opens, if it opens without strong gap in the opposite direction, everything is pointing that we will see silver going to the higher price levels next week. So let's see how the Monday opens. I am more inclined to see the price reaching higher price levels because all three time frames are in line. They are all showing the same scenario, same direction. So this means the price should try to move in the same directions. But should move, that's something that the market should show, and we are just following. For now I'm following the market, which means the Monday should not close below this area of support. If the price retraces back down, comes very close to this area of support, not going below this area of support on the daily time frame, this will be just confirmation of this bullish breakout. It can further rise in value. So let's see Monday how it opens, with a gap, without the gap, and then act accordingly. If you would like to receive the updates which I'm sending to the traders inside the premium analysis during the day, each day, if there is any trading opportunity, feel free to check the link below in the description. It is a link for the premium analysis where the traders are updated during the week when there is a bullish or bearish breakouts. Feel free to check, join, and see you inside. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.